most people don't understand this concept. They treat all works are same. All works are same. Array, this work, this work, and so on. All works are same. They always going to treat. So what happens is they do low value work. They waste the time on small tasks. They feel tired. They don't grow. They don't grow. They're always going to waste their valuable time on low value activities. Their energy is going to be drained like anything. They feel tired. Then obviously where is the growth? In Telugu, one wonderful saying is there. Nimisham tirka ledu. What is that? Nimisham tirka ledu.
దమ్ముడి
Dammadi adayam ledu. Nimisham tirka ledu. Dammadi adayam ledu. What it means is, morning to evening full busy, man. At the end of the day, how much money is there in the pocket? Empty. Nothing he learned. Nothing he earned. What is the reason here? He's always wasting the time in low valued activities. Identify which activities will provide big results. You are required to concentrate only on those activities. Remember this one. You require to concentrate only on those activities. Those activities, right? Suppose if you consider many entrepreneurs, okay, business people, answer email, do admin work, do billing, scheduling, like that. So these tasks, sir, mail reply, admin related activities, billing related activities, scheduling related activities, these things are going to provide very small result. If the business owner is the responsible to do these low level activities, where is the question of growth? So where is the question of growth? Where is the question of getting more money? No, then automatically what will happen? Then drain energy. Okay, so this is the bigger problem, friends. This is the bigger problem. They are doing not business. They are doing busyness. Observe the word. What is this word? They are doing busyness. Always busy. Busyness. They are doing, not business. So each and every activity I'm responsible to do. If a person think like this, I want to do everything, man. I want to do everything. If a person is going to think like this, then automatically that person can run.
పాన్ షాప్
Pawn shop. Chinna pawn shop. And the person is going to sit in the pawn shop and he's doing responsible to everything. I want to become expert, businessman, an entrepreneur. Okay, like better to build a team. Where you are strong, there you can involve. For rest of the activities, identify the right person and better to hand over to that person. Don't do everything.